room temperature, stove temperature is going up, and this is the air control. It automatically adjusts when it knows the stove is only just starting. For example, if I open the door here, a little thing's going to appear here showing that the door's open, and you can manually change the air that goes into the stove. Every time you do something on the app, gets blue. Every time you need to reload, it will send a message to your phone. So this is the thermostat to control the temperature you want your room to be at.